Hello students, in this video we will learn complexity with respect to conditional formatting in MS Excel in a different manner as compared to previous video. So let's jump to MS Excel and learn conditional formatting. I would like to highlight order priority and customer segment, that is column number C and column number I respectively. In order priority, there are critical situations, high, medium, low, and not specified. Whereas in customer segment, I am concentrating towards consumer only. I would like to highlight all those rows which are having order priority as critical and customer segment as consumer. Moreover, I am taking all the order priorities, that is critical, high, medium, low, and not specified. So let's see which color I would like to have. I'm just copying the rows. I'm just copying the name of those columns, that is order priority. For more clarity, I'm doing it, which will be helping us out to know. And customer segment. Under order priority, I am concentrating on critical one, and customer segment is consumer. So whenever these two are matched, that is order priority is critical as well as the customer segment is consumer, I would like to have red color. It means that all those rows should be in red color. So for our clarity, I'm changing the color, or I'm having the color as red here. Now the order priority could have been high also. So my next is order priority as high. And customer segment is consumer only. We are not changing it, although we can do that too. And this time I would like to have color orange. It means that my order priority, when it is high and customer segment is consumer, I would like to highlight all those cells as orange. Whereas when the order priority is median and customer segment as consumer, I would like to have light yellow color. Whereas when the order priority is low and customer segment is consumer, I would like to have color as yellow. And when the order priority is not specified and customer segment is consumer only, I would like to have green color. Now, what does it mean? It means that order priority is critical, so it has to be delivered as soon as possible. This is the reason I have kept it as red color. Whereas the order priority is high and customer segment is consumer, I would like to have color all those rows as orange, then medium and consumer, then it would have been light yellow, then low and consumer, it would have been yellow, and not specified and consumer, it would have been green. So let us apply all these on our data set. So first of all, you need to select all the rows. Now come to the conditional formatting and new rules. As I would like to have AND condition or AND logic. Why we are using AND logic? If both the conditions are matched, then it will give true result. Whereas if any of the condition is not matched, then it will give you false. So here I would like to have both the conditions true. So I'll be using AND function. And I could start. Now, column number C is representing the order priority. So C2. I would like to have $sign in front of C because C represents column, whereas 2 represent row. I would like to freeze the row, freeze the column, but not the rows. So this is the reason why I would like to have $sign in front of C, but not in front of 2 or a number. And this I would like to have as critical. This is my first logic. And my second logic is that I would like to have customer segment that is $I, I2 or I2. Why I'm using $sign in front of I? Because again, I column represents customer segment and I would be freezing that column. I don't want to freeze the rows, so I am not using $sign in front of number, but I would like to freeze the column. This is the reason why I put $sign in front of alphabet, that is I. Equal sign, double quotes, and then consumer. And bracket close. Now the color that I have identified is red because it is critical one. And okay. Now you can see that wherever the order priority is critical and customer segment is consumer, you will be finding red color. Now you can read row number 5. You can also have a look at row number 41. Or you can use a filter to figure it out whether the operations that we have implied here in conditional formatting, whether it is working or not properly. So customer segment is consumer only. And my order priority is critical. And here we are. So again, I'm making it a default one. It means I'm choosing all of these as well as all the priorities, order priority. So my first condition is now matched and the color is red. Now the second is that order priority is high and customer segment is consumer. So let's do it. Select all the rows, go to the home ribbon, conditional formatting, new rules, and set the rules. That is equal sign and function and $sign C2 equal to high and $sign I2 equal to consumer. Bracket close. This time I would like to have orange color. And click OK. Now again, you can figure it out. Let me select consumer here. And select order priority as high. And here we are. That is, order priority is high and customer segment is consumer. So let's go back and select all in the customer segment as well as in the order priority also, select all. Now my next condition is that I would like to highlight order priority as medium and customer segment as consumer with a color of light yellow. Again, select all the rows, go to the condition formatting, new rule, equal sign, and $sign C2 equal to medium. That is, order priority is medium and $sign I2 equal to consumer. And in the format, I would like to have light yellow color. And here we are. You can read row number 12. Order priority is medium and customer segment is consumer. You can read also row number 22. So let's do it for others. Now the other one is that the order priority is low and customer segment is consumer. So again, you will be selecting all the rows, conditional formatting, new rules, use a formula, equal sign, and function, and $sign C2 equal to low. And the second logic is $sign I2 equal to consumer. And bracket close. And the color is yellow. And okay. Now here we are. You can see the row number 2. My order priority is low and my customer segment is consumer. And my next or the last one is that orders priority is not specified and the customer segment is consumer. So let's see. Select all the rows again. Go to the condition formatting, new rules, and use a formula. And we are using AND function. Again, $sign C2 equal to. We are taking it as not specified. So double quotes, not specified. And the second logic is that my customer segment is consumer only. And this time I would like to have color as green. Here we are. So let's check it. Customer segment is consumer. Whereas order priority, you don't need to select. So you can see that when the order priority is low and the customer segment is consumer, the color is yellow. Whereas when it is critical and the customer segment is consumer, it is red. Not specified, color is green. Medium, then it will be light yellow. And for orange, it will be high. So this is how you can use conditional formatting by giving colors, and it will help you in identifying the different data. So this is what it is. Thank you. I hope you learned a lot. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Take care and happy learning.